Hey! Quick question. You just got funded, and now you're wondering, how do I actually grow this account without blowing it up? Because getting funded is amazing, but scaling it, that's where the real magic happens. Today, Dudu teaches you everything about scaling your funded account. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what scaling means, why it matters, how to do it with a real trade example, and Dudu's top tips to grow that account like a pro. Let's go! Okay, so imagine you open a lemonade stand. On day one, you start small. 1 cup, $1. You're careful, you're learning, you're building trust with your customers. Then slowly, as more people love your lemonade and you keep making profit, the stand owner says, "Hey, you're good at this. Here's a bigger budget. Sell more." That is exactly what scaling a funded account means. Your prop firm, that's the company that gave you the trading money, watches how you trade. If you're consistent, if you protect the money, if you follow the rules, they reward you. They give you more capital to trade with. More capital means bigger position sizes, and bigger position sizes means more profit potential. Easy peasy. Scaling is not about trading more or trading faster or going wild with big bets. It's about proving you are a reliable, disciplined trader over time. The firm sees you as a safe pair of hands, and they trust you with more. That trust equals growth. Honey, that's how it works. Alright, let's make this super real. Let's say you have a funded account of $10,000, and you're trading gold, exhaust, one of Dudu's favorites. Your risk rule is 2% per trade, so that's $200 maximum risk on each position. You spot a beautiful setup. Gold is pulling back to a strong support level around $2,300. You enter a buy trade, you place your stop loss 50 pips below at $22.95, and your target is 100 pips above at 2,350. Your risk to reward is 1 to 2, meaning for every dollar you risk, you're aiming to make 2 back. Nice! The trade runs, hits your target, you make $400. You didn't panic, you followed your plan, you protected the account. Now here's where scaling kicks in. After 2 or 3 months of consistent results like this, your prop firm sees your track record and offers you a scale up, maybe to $25,000. Same strategy, same discipline, but now that same 2% risk is $500, and your winning trade makes $1,000. Bear with me on this one. Nothing changed except the size of the playground. So how do you actually get to that scale up? Let's break it down. First, know your firm's scaling plan before you even start trading. Every prop firm has different rules. Some scale after 30 trading days, some after hitting a profit target. Read the terms, understand the path, know the destination. Second, be boringly consistent. Dudu is serious about this one. Hit your daily routine, stick to your strategy, and protect the drawdown limits like your life depends on it. Firms are not looking for one big win. They want to see you perform steadily over weeks. Third, keep a trading journal. Write down every trade, your entry, your exit, your reason, your emotion. When you go back to review, you catch your mistakes early, you improve faster, and you build the kind of track record that makes prop firms say yes to scaling you up. Dudu got you. Okay, Dudu's pro tips time. Listen up. Tip 1. Never chase the scale up. The moment you start forcing trades just to hit a profit target faster, you start breaking rules and taking bad trades. The scale up comes to the trader who earns it. Tip 2. Treat your funded account like it's 10 times the size right now. Seriously, if you trade your $10,000 account with the same respect you'd give a $100,000 account, discipline becomes your habit, and habits are what get you scaled. Tip 3. Have a bad day plan. Decide in advance. If Dudu loses 1% today, Dudu stops trading. Full stop. Protecting the downside is what unlocks the upside. So to wrap it all up, scaling your funded account is about consistent, disciplined trading that builds trust with your prop firm over time. Not about big risky bets. Respect the rules, journal your trades, and the growth will follow naturally. If you want more videos like this one, subscribe to Dudu Trades. New lessons every week made just for you. See you in the next one.